A shopping buying selling consumer introduction. Shopping is not just Amazon and Walmart. Before the internet or Walmart existed, the economy was made up of lots of small businesses and stores that provided goods and services in every community in the world. This is the heart of world capitalism. Climate change activists say buy local. It's not just about that for me. It's convenience and it's my community where I live. I saw an American Greed TV show episode. The crook was so lazy that he ordered disposable diapers online rather than going to a local store to buy them. Several pet food websites failed because it's not practical to ship pet food a long way. I buy a few things online, not many because I like to go to a store, pick what I want and take it home right there on the spot. If I have a problem, I go back to the physical store. I use our Canadian equivalent of Craigslist, which is kijiji.ca. I bought big microwave oven for $50. I bought at least 5 laptops for $300 each. Even when I order online, I don't order from Amazon because Walmart takes online returns under $150 at the store. I can do a return by going to the Walmart service desk rather than the hassle of an Amazon return. Shopping is much bigger than Walmart and Amazon, even if just the farmers markets, flea markets, factory outlet stores, garage sales, and thrift stores in your local area. I go to a thrift store like Goodwill, Salvation Army, or Value Village to buy t-shirts and windbreakers. Some t-shirts sell for up to $40. I pay about $2 to $3 for each one. Some windbreakers are up to $140. I rarely pay more than $20 for a windbreaker. Even if I was rich, I can't see myself wasting money foolishly. In the luxury products section in this book, I went to some of those websites like billionaire.com just to look around and see what they're selling. It's hype. The Gucci bag has a reputation. It generally sells for between $1,000 to $3,000. In the real world, a good handbag is not worth more than $80 tops. In the TV show Generation Hustle, Anthony Enrique Gignac, born Jose Moreno, 1970, masqueraded as an Arab prince, stole a bunch of money and stuff for his perception of himself as a big-time big-shot rich guy. His latest prison sentence was 18 years. So many people do stupid things for this idea of status or coolness. We got this thing called Instagram influencers, a bunch of superficial idiots trying to portray themselves as cool people, making money off ads and whatever losers they can get to follow or view them. This is the difference between the way I was brought up in the real world and the fake world of the internet. I saw some crime show that profiled Luca Magnotta, the guy who killed cats online then killed his gay lover. They showed how this guy was so desperate for attention that he created social media profiles of himself in photoshopped pictures and videos. I live in the real world of money. I don't waste it on silly things. I get all my music for free. It's easy with 4K YouTube to MP3. My sister pays $10 a month for Spotify. I wouldn't waste money on something like that. I'll give you another tip for a free Netflix-like website. It's called UpMovies.net. There are at least several free live TV websites. They have ads. All you have to do is install several ad and pop-up blocker extensions. Weightlifting equipment is expensive. Since the days of the Weider concrete weights, the prices are up in the hundreds of dollars just for an Olympic bar. I went to a flea market where a guy makes a living selling weightlifting equipment at about half the cost of retail. Farmers markets are everywhere. You pay the guy cash, you get a bunch of vegetables and you're supporting salt of the earth people too. There are coupons, freebies, samples, and contests to win money and stuff which I cover in this book. I cover selling a little bit, but I dedicated another book to that called A Retail Internet Sales Job Business Guide. This is a world marketplace guide for consumers, vendors, and business people in most retail sales sectors. Shopping is supermarkets, department stores, local stores. Buying online. Online classified ads. Worldwide retail. Flea markets. Factory outlet stores. Garage sales, usually Saturday morning in the summer. thrift shops, wholesale, closeout, auctions, seized government products. There is also the consumer part of it. Where to get deals as with coupons, overstock, online auctions, flea markets, garage sales. How to protect yourself from consumer fraud and identity theft. How to complain effectively if you have a problem with a vendor or service provider. In my opinion, your best bet to buy most things you need locally. Go to the Yellow Pages or a local online directory, read your local newspapers, drive around the shopping areas, go to local classified ad websites, Craigslist.org, Kijiji.ca, and talk to people you know about what you need. I generally buy most of my stuff from the big department stores, but if I need something like furniture, I'll check out the furniture stores on the poor side of the town because the prices for the same goods are often cheaper than a store in the higher class part of town, plus you can often haggle with the owner on a cash deal. If you're not high-end, the thrift stores have loads of furniture. Sometimes you can get furniture for free. Somebody buys a new couch and wants to get rid of the old one, so they put a freebie ad up on Craigslist or Kijiji. As far as tech products go, there are deals on used computers on Craigslist. Some people sell new and used computers and accessories full-time through Craigslist. By shopping on the poor side of town at supermarkets for food, you can often save several dollars on a load of groceries. Walmart is big on groceries. If you feel embarrassed about going to a thrift store, go early as soon as they open for the day. Nobody really cares, everybody's in the same boat. Why would a sane person spend $20 or more for a t-shirt when you can get good ones from $1 to $3 at a thrift store? If you're a chick who wants cool clothes without spending an arm and a leg, they got tons of clothes there. If you're a knick-knack shopper, check out the classified ads in the local newspapers and the internet ad websites for people selling things through estate sales, storage locker sales, auctions, flea markets, yard sales, bargain sales by stores, trade shows, crafts fairs, etc. Find your local newspapers, even the free ones usually found at supermarket entrances, and check to see if there's a weekly or bi-weekly recycler type used goods newspaper. This is being replaced by local online ad websites. There is even Facebook.com/marketplace. You can buy just about anything you need in used goods except for a few things like underclothes, mattresses, bedding, and stuff like that. Look for a local city website. There might be a classified ad section on it. Look for pawn shops, wholesalers, and used goods shops. You can haggle with individuals selling their wares as opposed to businesses with managers owned by somebody else. Some big cities have flea markets that sell everything with permanent booths. Some radio stations and local cable TV stations have shows where people call in offering things for sale, leaving a phone number to call. Factory outlets could be good, but often the prices aren't much better than other places. It's just the perception that you're getting a better deal. Look locally for wholesalers and manufacturers. The cleaning supply wholesalers who supply commercial cleaning companies are often your best bet for cheap quality cleaning supplies. In the town where I live, people have yard sales all over the place on Saturday mornings during the warm months. Drive around and look. Some newspapers and Craigslist offer free ads for people holding garage sales. In your local newspaper, in the classified ads section, look for such categories as auctions, foreclosure sales, estate sales, probate sales, and closeout/liquidation sales. Keep an eye out for the local police auction where they sell off their seized property. For fruits, vegetables, cheese, meat, and nuts in bulk, drive out of the city limits to the farm areas and look around for a direct sales farm, which will usually have a sign or a roadside stand. Look locally for retail farms or farmers markets. Farmers markets sell food on the cheap. As for cosmetic, medical, and dental procedures, shop around to save a significant amount of money. The rural plastic surgeon or dentist will often give you a better deal than the city one for a big job. On the Border Security TV show, I saw several women go to Colombia and Brazil to get cosmetic surgery and dental work done. If you're interested in any particular types of products in any field, get magazines in that field. That will lead you to all the big players and newest products. Go to consumer magazines and books like Consumer Reports, consumerreports.org. If you go to the Consumer Reports stack of magazines at your local library and start working back, within a year or two, you'll find a report on whatever product you're looking for. They also sell a buying guide of products in book form. They are an objective organization. They take no advertising. They are not subsidized by anyone. If you can't find what you're looking for, try the phone books of major cities at the library and on the internet, as well as the AT&T toll-free directory, which is a phone book with 800/888 and 877 numbers in it. The AT&T toll-free directory is a phone book with listings for hotels, airlines, lawyers, etc. Toll-free information operator. 800-555-1212. tollfree.att.net/dir800. If you need assistance with a touch-tone deaf phone, call 800-555-1155. Look through company/corporate directory websites for lists of virtually every business in the country. If you're really interested in a product and want more leads, simply go to the library and look through the Thomas Register, thomasregister.com. Try number 640 at the library. Books about shopping are at number 381 at the library, HF 5466 of the Library of Congress system. Consumer assistance books are at number 640. Try number 640.73 or TX 356 at the library.